Hello, my name is 360 Rosa, and today we're going to make pancakes from scratch. And it's going to be 1 minute. It's going to be a little bit crazy, but I guess I could do it. But not to be braggy or anything. But it's going to start in 3, 2, 1, and oil!
Milk.
Oh.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
So sad.
Keep going.
You're so sad. Dash is salt.
Faster.
It's all my fault.
Faster.
What am I doing? Flour.
Flour.
Dang. Baking powder.
Baking powder.
Come on. Sugar.
Sugar.
Egg.
Egg.
Oh no. Hang on. Yes. Come on. Okay.
Mix it up.
Mix.
Keep going. We got it. All right.
Hey, go.
We did it.
You don't want to high five me. Sorry.